Hello, my name is Denisha Fernandez, aka Dan Reaches. So today I'm going to show you how to take this simple shoebox and make an organizer for yourself. I have been searching it online, so going to different stores and finding organizers for myself. And I just see that they are simple boxes, but the price is too expensive. So I thought to myself, why not make an organizer for myself? So I just bought this from my brother. It's just a simple box now, and I just want it to look more pretty, more colorful, just like me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the simple box, and I have these gum circles. Now the way this thing works is, I think it just has the glue already on it. You need to put a layer of water and then start sticking on the surface that you want to stick. If you do not have this, you can actually cut out different shapes or leftover papers, glue them, and it's the same process. The way I have to put a layer of water, you have to apply a layer of glue and start sticking. That's it. So let's see how this turns out. For now, I'm just going to cut out this part because I don't need it. And just make use of this part of the box. I'll just demonstrate how to use this. If you guys have this one, well and good. If you don't have it, just cut out paper circles. This is how it looks like. It's just like a normal marble paper or craft paper. I'm just gonna take my brush, apply a layer of water. Yes. And then just stick it. Just like this. Now you see, when I'm at the corner and I have the paper on both the sides, this side is going to be tricky. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to stick it like this, make a crease, and just cut along. Alright, I have cut here, so I'm gonna put this in and put this down. Yeah, you need to adjust it properly. There, that way. Yeah, that's pretty neat now. I think I'm finally done, and this is how it looks like. I've completely covered it with colorful circles, and yeah, and in a while I'm just gonna fill in all my stuffs and show you how things look like in it. This is fun, right? I mean, it's just not for clothes. For me primarily this was for putting clothes, but this can be a kid activity where the kid can do things for themselves, put their toys in it. Maybe you could have a small compartment where you can fill their colors, crayons. It can just be an organizer for anything and everything.